There does seem to be a bit of a gap between what Trump is saying, which is that it will be open and clear and everything will be back to normal on Friday, versus the actual reality of the matter, which is it will take a bit of time for it to get back to pre-war levels, if you know, whether it's even going to happen in the near term. Now, I think you look at the specifics of the MOU between the U.S. and Iran that was signed or will be signed this week. The text Bloomberg has reported, it does say that you know, Iran has to push forward with allowing merchant ships and traffic to resume back to normal levels in 30 days after that is signed. So even the MOU doesn't say that there will be an immediate opening and the floodgates are there and everything will go through. It will take time. There are a few things on the minds of ship owners, captains, crews, and the oil and gas exporters in the region. One, of course, will be the level that the mines have been removed. Trump has indicated that they're removing mines. Those efforts should be finished by the end of the week, according to the president. Also, which shipping lanes will they take? Which you know, are they going through Iranian waters, Omani waters? According to the MOU, there will be no toll during this period. But will there be a toll afterwards? Iranian local media has reported that there will be some sort of payment system in place after the 60-day agreement is up. That's to be, you know, that's something to be discussed, obviously, between the U.S. and Iran in their ongoing negotiations. And then, lastly, of course, is, you know, are there ships even in the region to go through the strait? There are a lot of ships within the Strait of Hormuz that want to get out. But how many ships are being brought back to the region to maintain the flow of oil and gas?
And Stephen, just talking about the name price of Brent crude, it is below $80 a barrel right now. Do you think markets are reacting to the news that we have yet to see finalized too enthusiastically? I mean, I'm seeing a lot of analysts paring down their average Brent expectations for the remainder of the year. Do you think that's yet another question? Is that a realistic sort of projection for Brent prices?
You know, this is an endless debate on social media, and it's been really interesting to see this unfold because the fact of the matter is the Strait of Hormuz does remain shut right now. And over the last 2 or 3 months, we have seen an on-again, off-again sort of agreements between the U.S. and Iran. That being said, according to the analysts and the traders, this one does feel markedly different. It does feel that the U.S. is giving in to some of the requests by Iran, and Iran will be allowing for freer trade to navigate and go through. It is sentiment-driven, no doubt. There's really no change to the fundamentals when we look at this. And so I think that's how the market views it. Whether or not it's viewed correctly, you know, I guess only time will tell as this unfolds.